Complex machinery designs mean complex processes, but your MCAD software shouldn't slow you down. IronCAD adapts to your specific needs, making your process faster and simpler. Industrial equipment and machinery design demands flexibility, speed, and productivity. IronCAD delivers. While other programs take a one-size-fits-all approach that can slow you down, IronCAD is designed to adapt to your unique needs. Our solutions provide the flexibility to innovate, the versatility to handle diverse design challenges, and the scalability to grow with your projects, all while enabling you to create custom products faster.
Machinery manufacturers face unique challenges, so you shouldn't be restricted by the limitations of traditional history-based design software. With IronCAD, you quickly modify your designs, create bespoke machinery that meets exact specifications without the limitations of traditional design tools. Your MCAD software should solve problems, not create them.
From the beginning, IronCAD has been dedicated to simplifying the design process across its entire product suite, enabling you to start designing in 3D with ease. Our predefined and user-saved component catalogs and seamless integration between part and assembly environments simplifies every step of your workflow. These flexible tools, along with the unique benefits of our powerful positioning capabilities, which use our patented tri-ball, help you go from design to production faster. IronCAD is built for assembly designs, allowing you to scale from small to large assembly designs. We offer intelligent automation throughout the system that delivers increased productivity. IronCAD also scales with your needs, offering industry-specific integrations for mechanical-focused applications to multi-physics simulation analysis to verify your designs.
If we can make things easier, more intuitive, versatile, and efficient, our users can be more productive and profitable. That's a game changer. Making that kind of positive impact for each IronCAD user is our ultimate goal.
If your business is like so many in the industrial equipment and machinery manufacturing sector, and you need to be more versatile, flexible, and productive to scale up your business, then you need IronCAD from concept to production. Go to ironcad.com to see all the possibilities, or to request a free trial.